One of the creepiest things in nature isn't a monster or a ghost. It's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, and it turns ants into real-life zombies. Here's what happens. An ant is moving through the jungle, usually in tropical forests, when microscopic fungal spores land on its body. The spores don't just sit there. They invade. They break through the ant's exoskeleton and begin growing inside. At first, the ant acts normal. It keeps walking. It keeps behaving like an ant. But that normal doesn't last. Over the next several days, the fungus quietly rewires the ant's muscles and behavior, slowly steering it towards something much darker. Then comes the moment that feels impossible. The infected ant suddenly abandons its colony and climbs onto vegetation by itself. Scientists call this the death grip. The ant clamps its jaws onto the underside of a leaf or twig in a very specific spot, one with just the right temperature and humidity the fungus needs to thrive. Once it locks in place, the ant doesn't recover. It dies attached, jaws fixed, like it's stuck in a final command. And the fungus doesn't stop there. After death, a stalk grows out of the ant's head, rising like a signal from a horror film. When it's ready, it releases spores into the air. Those spores fall onto other ants below, and the cycle begins again. What makes it truly horrifying is the precision. Research suggests the fungus uses chemicals to manipulate the ant's nervous system, not randomly, but with exact control. Even the timing and location aren't guesses. This isn't fiction. These fungi have evolved over millions of years, becoming so specialized that certain species infect only certain kinds of ants. Scientists have even discovered whole graveyards of dead ants, frozen in the same posture on leaves. It's one of the most extreme examples of parasites taking control of another creature on Earth.